Anthropic just dropped Claude Fable 5, and I need to talk about what this actually means, not just for tech people or developers, but for regular people who want to save time and make money with AI. Because here's the thing, every time a new model like this drops, most people just sit there and watch. They react to it on Twitter, they make comments, and then they go back to doing nothing. And the small group of people who actually pay attention and use this stuff, they're the ones making the real money. So let me break this down for you and tell you why this matters for your wallet specifically. My name's Fred. I've been building my business online with AI for the past few years, and my record is making over $5,000 in 48 hours, cash hitting my bank account. I'm not talking about revenue or gross, and I do it selling online courses with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. So let's talk about what Fable 5 actually is. Anthropic just released this new model called Claude Mythos, which was so powerful they didn't want to release it to the general public. They were literally handpicking which companies got to use it because they were worried about cybersecurity risks. Fable 5 is basically a version of that same model made safe enough for regular people to use. So when you log into Claude right now and you select Fable 5, you are using a version of one of the most powerful AI models ever built. Now let's take a look at the benchmarks. And I know benchmarks can sometimes feel like they're made up, so I'm going to keep this simple. On agentic coding, which basically means AI doing real tasks on your behalf without you having to hold its hand, Claude Opus 4.8, which just came out about a week and a half ago, scored 69.2%. Fable 5 and Mythos 5 are at 80.3%. That's not a small jump, that's a massive jump. And Stripe, a company doing billions of dollars in payments, said that Fable 5 compressed months of engineering work into days. Do you realize what that means for someone building an online business? And then there's the vision improvements. Fable 5 can now look at a screenshot of a website and rebuild the entire source code from that screenshot alone. That's not just useful for developers, that's useful for anyone building content, course pages, sales pages, anything online. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's where I want to talk to you about what all of this really means for you. Every time a new AI model drops, people talk about it like it's just a cool technology update. But what nobody's really saying is that this creates a massive opportunity to build an online business faster and easier than in any other times in history. The business model I keep coming back to is selling online courses and digital products. And here's exactly why. There's no inventory, no shipping. Your profit margin is basically 95%. You make the product once and you sell it for years. And with AI, you can build the whole thing in a fraction of the time it used to take. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, that sounds great, but I don't have anything to teach to people. And I hear this all the time. But here's the thing, and I'm going to be very honest with you. You don't need to be an expert anymore. That used to be the barrier to entry. You needed to have years of experience in something before you could share it with the world. Well, that's no longer true today. With a model like Fable 5, you can pick any niche, any topic people are willing to pay for, and you can use AI to pull together everything that's already known about that subject. You structure it into a course. You use AI to write scripts. You use an AI avatar if you don't want to be on camera. You use an AI voice clone if you don't want to record your own voice, and then you publish it. I mean, there's a woman who makes over $30,000 a month teaching people how to organize their digital photos. It's not a tech expert, it's just someone who figured out a problem people had and built a course around it. Do you think she needed years of credentials to do that? No, she just needed a clear topic, a course structure, and the ability to sell it. AI handles all the hard parts now. But here's the other thing I want you to understand. You have two real options when it comes to building a course business with AI. You can build a personal brand, so you're the face of it, kind of like what I'm doing with my YouTube channel and my free school course. Or you can build it completely faceless, where an AI avatar is the face, an AI voice clone does the talking, and you are invisible behind the scenes. Do you want to build a name for yourself over time, or do you want to stay completely behind the scenes and let AI front everything? And what Fable 5 does is it makes both of these options significantly more powerful. The course content you can generate, the course material, the scripts, the marketing copy, the sales pages, all of it gets better with a stronger model. And because Fable 5 is included in existing Claude plans until at least June 22nd, you're not paying extra right now to access it. The paid pricing is $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. For comparison, Opus 4.8 is $5 per million input and $25 per million output. So it's 2 times more expensive. Some people were guessing it would be 10 times more, so honestly that's good news if you're building something using AI. And even if you're using it at a medium effort level to save on costs, Anthropic is claiming it still outperforms every other frontier model out there at that setting. That means you can be smart about how you use it and get better results than anything else available. Look, here's the honest truth. Every time there's a jump like this in AI, there's a window. A window where the people who move fast, who start building, who actually use these tools get a head start that's really, really hard to close. And most people watching this video right now are gonna think, oh yeah, that's interesting, close the tab, and then forget about it by tomorrow. I was building my business before models like these existed. Everything I did was so much more difficult. The content took way longer to make. The course assets took longer as well. The scripts took longer. It would take me days. Now I can do in half an hour what used to take me days. All of that thanks to AI. So if I was starting over right now today from scratch with all these available tools, I would be miles ahead of where I was. And you've got these tools today, right now. So the only question is whether you're going to use them to save time and make money or simply watch other people using them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.